Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing good. And in this class, let's learn about what are error bars. So error bars are basically used to plot or to display standard errors, standard deviations, etc. So standard deviation. So in this class, let's use this error bars to display standard deviation. So for that, what I have done is I've taken four names and four different subjects, and let me try to calculate its average and standard deviation, and then later let's try to plot a column graph. So what I'll do here is I'll try to take this to the to the left actually. Okay, so now what I'll do, I'll use this rand between formula. So using rand between formula, let me first try to fill this table with values of 1 and 50. So let me try to do that. Okay, so now what I'll do, I will try to fill this. So now let me try to copy paste. So copy and paste values. So go to paste special, click values. Okay, and then escape. Okay, now first let me try to find its average. So average, I'll try to find it. So average, so open the brackets and then let me. Okay, I've selected these four cells, close the brackets, average. So average is 23 here. Okay, now let me try to do the standard deviation. Standard deviation formula will be equal to stdev. Open the brackets. So let me select these four cells, close the bracket, 18.2392. Okay, now let me. Okay, so now we have got all the four values. So now what I'll do is I'll try to plot a column graph. So I'll try to select these average values, go to insert column, and let me click column graph. So I have got a column graph over here. So let me reduce its size. Okay, so let me reduce its size. Okay, let me reduce its size first, and then let me move it. Okay, I'll just move it over here. Okay, now I hope it's visible for you. So now let me try to plot the error bars first. So what I'll do, whenever I click on this chart area or plot area, I'll get this chart tools, design, layout, and format. So I'll try to click over this. So design, format, you don't get anything, but in layout you have something called error bars. So go to error bars and click error bars with standard deviation. So once I click that, you get error bars of equal sizes, but we need of this values. So what I'll do, again I'll click this error bars and I'll click this more error bar option. So more error bar option, and I'll click custom this time. Custom. So once I click custom, and I'll just go to specify value. So here I'm just going to click backspace, and I'm going to select these four values here. And similarly in positive error value box, and even in negative error value box, I'll just click backspace and I'll select all this four, and I'll click OK. So now you can see the error bar size gets changed. So here you can see now in the first column here, the error bar is very bigger because the value is 18.23. Second one is also almost closer, so it is almost the same ones. Third one is very smaller one, 4, so that's why you get a very smaller one. And fourth one is again around 18, so you get the of similar value. So this is how you plot an error bar. So let me also tell again, let me click this chart area, and let me go to this error bar. So let me just explain you something more here. So here you have direction both plus and minus. If I click minus, you can see in the chart error bars are displayed only on the bottom side. Plus if I click, it gets displayed only on the top side. And so I'll click both sides. And no cap. So cap means that whatever that horizontal projections or whatever you have, so that one is cap. So so again I'll just show you here again. So if you just click no cap, you can just see only that horizontal one you have. You don't have that horizontal one. I'll click with cap. So let me try to close it. So this is all about error bars. I hope you have understood what are error bars and how to plot an error bar. So this is all about that. So meet you in some other video. Thank you.